hi. Hey guys, so here I actually don't know the name of this beach. I don't even think there's a name for this beach, but it's the beach right across Clearwater, and we initially went all the way over there, but it's completely full of people. So thankfully we have this little beach here, and it's only like 1 or 2 other families here. We practically have this nice little shady spot to ourselves. So yeah, it's really sunny. Gonna enjoy this weekend. Right, Ma? It's really good weather today. Yeah. Is he awake? Baron's awake. Hi, buddy. Hi.
What do you want from the gas station?
Hello. Yeah, oh god. It's actually a pretty special day today because you're gonna go in the water for the first time, Farron. Excited? Yeah, I'm taking that too as yes. Alright guys, so we're gonna do something a bit different today. We're gonna try to do Korean barbecue. Like, we miss it. I miss it so much because it was something that me and my friends always did after exams. Like, it was a nice bonding experience. So here we have the little mini grill, and then we got like this pan on top that's gonna heat up. Yeah. Kind of oil up the pan using the beef fat. You also have pork fat too. I'm gonna do some beef first. Yeah. Right now the grill is so hot right now, like I think we're just gonna have to cook all the meat right now. Right, Mom? Mm-hmm. Wow. Also, when I went to New York to take my exam, I was in Koreatown and I bought samjang. So it's like a seasoned soybean paste. We usually eat this like in Korean barbecue. We get the lettuce, put the meat in it, put some of this, sometimes raw garlic, and like you just eat it. Like a little mini wrap. Look at that. Mm-hmm. So big. Darren, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hello. He looks so cute. This smells amazing, mommy. Wow. So yeah, in the Philippines, after like exams or like if me and my friends just wanted to hang out, we would just go to a Korean barbecue place, and it's like unlimited, it's like a buffet, and it's really nice. You can sit down, cook, chat, and all that. And it's like a nice experience, like a bonding experience, and like it's so great that we're doing it here in Bermuda. It's not exactly the same, but this is the closest that we can do right now in terms of Korean barbecue here. Oh guys, only you can smell this and taste this.
Very nice jumbo shrimp prawn.
Yeah. Nice summer weekend picnic with the fam. Alright guys, this is the spread. We got all the meats cooked. We got the beef, we got the pork, we got the shrimp, we have some stir-fried vegetables, some chicken feet, and then we got the lettuce. So, oh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, so this is our version of the Korean barbecue. So let's get a nice lettuce wrap. So we got a piece of lettuce.
Oh my god.
And then we're gonna get some beef.
Oh wow. Di talaga papahuli si.
Get some beef. And then a little bit of the samjang. Like that. And that's it. And then you just wrap it. So what I usually do, I take the bottom and I wrap the sides. And that's it. And then just it's so good. This brings back so many memories. Like, I miss Korean barbecue so much. But even more than the Korean barbecue, I miss like the bonding experience with your friends. At least we can do this with my family here on the beach. Dude, I'm so happy. Hey!
What?
With the fork, man.
It's still the same when you put it inside your mouth.
Ah! You like it?
Pinuro. It's cold.
It's good.
Yun, gawa mo na.
Oh, mommy made hers?
Ikaw naman. Ikaw nang magawak naman. Nice.
Good, eh?
Yummy, yummy. It's a nice dish. Wow.
It's a big bite.
Wow. So delicious.
Yeah.
Nice.
Is it good? Yeah. Nice. Alright, so ideally we're supposed to eat while cooking it, but the grill is really strong, which is actually a good thing. We're able to cook all the meats, and there's a bunch of flies, so we're just gonna have to like put everything on a plate and then close everything off. Are you excited to go swimming, buddy? And the water is like, it's not even cold, it's like warm, it's like a good temperature.
Wow. It's the first time to be in the water.
Hi, buddy.
Very warm yung tubig, Noro. Very warm. No, man. Alright. Huh? Oh, did you know that? Yeah.
Hi,
baby.
oh, first time in the ocean.
You like the same
Come on,
water. No. You wanna go swimming? You're swimming now. Come on. Come on, swimming. Meron. I like the water, huh? Meron? You like the water? Yeah.
Ligoy ka?
Nice.
Ligoy ka?
You like it?
Huh? Nag-ingay ka?
Yeah.
Huh?
You like it? Oh? Kung paano yung tubig, madadala na yan.
Ayan na.
Kabari.
Balak-balak na.
Ingatan mo yung wave yun, no? Maka
Yeah,
sa
man.
ano niya.
Come on, hit the water.
Try tsura rin. Space na.
Oh.
Nanalo niya na, oh. Maganda pala ang tubig. Ala, yung mata niya.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Ayan, ang ganda ng ano ng tulog ng araw eh.
Hello, Pepe. Hello, Pepe.
Hi, buddy.
Sunset ng mga
Hello, Pepe.
Love mo, kamat
Yan,
eh.
urmat yun. Ang galuha.
Oo.
But he still wants to play. Yeah. Wow. So we're packing up now. Can't really see anyone. It's getting dark. Oh, let's see if we can go here. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.